Hey guys, my name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot that can grow over 1,000 peppers in under 10 feet, 10 by 4 feet. All we do is we take our seeds and our plants and put them in this planter. And it grows all of this vegetation right here. This vegetation, we harvested all of these peppers. Just like you see the planters behind me, 300 tomatoes, 1,000 carrots, 60 pounds of radish, collard greens, kale, and 24 inches we can grow our eggplants. But see, I love my peppers because with Torpedo Pot, it grows them all so perfectly. I don't have a problem with them. They look good. They're healthy. And what's so important about them, I love them because they're so, well, they have a great taste and flavor. See, in Torpedo Pot, I don't water or feed. I simply come and put my plants in my planter right here. And it grows, yeah, my tomatoes and everything else for me. I don't ever have to grow my food ever again. And so all I do is just lay my food out and let you guys see how pretty it is. Hundreds of peppers. And so when we grow food, Torpedo Pot likes to grow delicious, healthy food. Something that we know is good for the environment and for our clients to make sure they're eating healthy. And that's what this is all about. It's about eating healthy, right? Let me see if I can get this bag out of here. And this is what we do. We grow lots of food. Torpedo Pot is a self-growing planter that grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. You put your seeds and your plants in the planter, you turn the planter on, and it'll run for the life cycle of your plant. Your plant will be being fed from the digestion of the planter itself, and you'll get to grow thousands of these peppers. And they all are so beautiful. I love the color variations. I love so much about them. The red, the green, the yellow, all of them are just so special and important to me. And so from this genetic variety, this is what we're getting right here. Isn't that amazing? Fresh peppers. I don't have the K marks on my food like you do. I don't have to have dead food like you do. See, because I put my plants in a Torpedo Pot and it grows everything for me. I don't have to worry about my food not being useful. My food is useful every year. And I get the same results. Doesn't matter where I pick it from. It's the same results. Nice, healthy, delicious food. Torpedo Pot grows your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planter, and it grows everything for you. No matter where you pick, you're going to get healthy, delicious food. Okay? Torpedo Pot grows your food. So regardless of all the stores and chemicals that people use to try to get you to eat healthy and to be healthy, there's nothing like a Torpedo Pot. I love my Torpedo Pot. I can grow 300 tomatoes in this section right here. I can grow hundreds of carrots. I can grow 35 eggplants in just 24 inches. I can do that because I never water and I never feed my plants. I turn the knob, it waters the system for you, so you never have to water or do anything for it again in your life. You can set the timing at which the frequency and the amount that you want to water. But one thing you're guaranteed is that you'll have healthy, nutritious food for the rest of your life. This is absolutely beautiful. I just picked some celery this morning, and I'm going to cut down some peppers, put some tomatoes inside of it, and I'm going to have me a ball. Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.